If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Gabby and I will be sharing with you recipes that are easy to follow and do. And I also share with you Mexican style dish recipes. I also share with you step-by-step process on how to do flower arrangements and also relaxing videos of locations in Southern California that I visit. And remember to click the like button and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button so you could go ahead and receive notifications when I post new videos, as well as sharing it with your friends and family.